Kazoos are super duper fun to make music with. What if you don't have a kazoo? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to make one of your own. First off, you need a paper towel tube. You could use a toilet paper tube, but I don't trust putting my mouth on things that have been in the bathroom. So, toilet paper or a paper towel tube. I'm using a paper towel tube. You're going to need some wax paper, scissors, rubber bands, and maybe some super glue or Elmer's glue, anything that you can glue it. So go ahead and pause the video and then grab your stuff and come right back. Okay, so first things first, this is really long, so you're going to take your scissors, and you can do it any length that you want. I already have one that is a half of a tube, so I'm going to experiment and do about a quarter of a tube. And if you need help, then ask someone older to help you. And cut your tube, and it doesn't matter if it's like straight or anything. If you want to make it, you can, but it doesn't matter. You just need a nice tube like that. Okay? Then you're going to take your wax paper, and you can find all of this stuff either around the house or at the dollar store. That's usually where I get my supplies. So, take your wax paper. And this is a really big piece for my tube. So I'm going to take my tube, and do not mind the heavy breathing in the background. That's my doggo. He's the worst director ever. You're going to place your tube on your wax paper and put it about, and you're going to draw around a circle around it so that you have an idea. And you can either do a square shape or you can cut a circle. If you're going to cut a circle, it needs to be just a little bit outside the circle you drew. It makes it just a little bit bigger so you can cover the hole. So I'm going to cut a circle around like this. Cut. And I'm pretty sure you could use like any type of paper, just as long as it vibrates. That would be a fun experiment for you to do, to go and find different kinds of paper and put it on the end of your tube to see which one vibrates better, if it resonates better. So I'm going to glue mine in place. This is one that's already made, because sometimes if you blow too hard, I'll see if it'll do it. The end will pop off. So I'm going to glue mine in place, and I'm just using, I like things really strong, so I'm using super glue. You can use Elmer's glue, craft glue, any type of glue. And we're just going to put it right around the very, very edge of the tube. You don't want it in the tube. You want it outside of the tube. Okay, just this nice thin layer. And then you're going to take your wax paper. And the best way that I like to do it is to just put the wax paper flat on the table and then press my tube in the center and hold it down until it dries. And while it's drying, I'll put my lid back. You can use any type of rubber band you want. You can even use a hair tie. You have those lying around. So this looks like a fun color. You do that. Push it down more. Make sure it works. Okay. Then you're going to fold down your wax paper. This is why you need to wait for your glue to dry. And if you did a circle like mine, you kind of want to fold it over so that it fits nice and taut. You don't want it tight, you just want it nice and taut just so that it fits around. So This really helps if we have 10 arms or more than one hand. Okay, then once you have it on like that, you're going to take your rubber band and you're going to put it over. Don't put it, you want to put it about in the middle. You don't want it right on the edge. And make sure it's nice and secure. So mine kind of puffed out a bit, so I'm going to pull it down because I didn't wait for my glue to dry. Whoopsie. And there you have a homemade kazoo. Now, the art of kazoo is that you don't blow into it. It's no sound. Like I said, the end can pop off. You actually sing into it or hum into it. So, and the shorter it is, the better vibration you're going to get because that's closer to your mouth. So, and that is how you make your own kazoo.